Hello students, welcome to the channel. Welcome to oasiseduzone. আশা কৰিছো আপোনালোকে সবে ভালে আছে আৰু আপোনালোকৰ প্ৰিপাৰেচন খুব ভালদৰে চলাই গৈ আছে. So today our topic will be motor vehicle insurance. So let us begin. So ইয়াত আপোনালোকে দুটা স্ক্যানাৰ দেখি পাইছে. আমাৰ প্ৰথম স্ক্যানাৰটো হৈছে আমাৰ এপখন ডাউনলোড কৰা স্ক্যানাৰ. Students, আপোনালোকে যদি আমাৰ এপ ডাউনলোড কৰে তেতিয়া হলে তাত গৈ আপোনালোকে টেষ্ট সিৰিজ এভেইল কৰিব পাৰিব and টেষ্ট সিৰিজৰ থ্ৰুদি আপোনালোকে কাৰেন্ট এফেয়াৰ্স ৰিলেট কৰি and various topics related গুটিকেইটা questions তাত available পাব. Along with that, second scanner খন হৈছে আমাৰ Telegram group join কৰা scanner. আমাৰ Telegram group খন join কৰিলে আপোনালোকে গুটি videos or PDF তাত পাব and apart from that বেলেগ কিবা আপোনালোকৰ কিবা doubt থাকিলে or কিবা exam related queries থাকিলে তাত solve কৰিব পাৰিব. So this is the syllabus that was mentioned in the section B of transport and traffic rules. So gutekita syllabus gutekita topic apnaloke khub bhalke prepare kori lobo and ami jiman parisu prepare apnalok cover korwa try korisu and baki jiman leftover concepts thakibo. So gutekita topics we have tried our level best to cover all those topics through the test series. So students, please apnaloke jodi amalokor test series ebar avail kore that আশা কৰিছো বহুত benefit hobo apnalokor karone. So let us begin today's video. So আজি আমাৰ যোনটো টপিক হয় that is vehicle insurance or motor vehicle insurance. So এই টপিকটো আমি কভাৰ কৰো under chapter 11 of the Motor Vehicles Act. So first let us know or let us learn about what is vehicle insurance. So vehicle insurance, also known as motor insurance, is a type of insurance that protects you and your vehicle against financial losses in case of an accident, theft or natural disaster. যেতিয়া আমি এখন ভেহিকল কিনো যেতিয়া আমি নতুন এখন ভেহিকল কিনো তেতিয়া হলে ইট ইজ কম্পালসৰি যে আমি এই মোটৰ ভেহিকলখনৰ ইন্স্যুৰেন্স কৰাই লওঁ why because এই ইন্স্যুৰেন্সখনে আমাক ফাইনান্সিয়াল লছৰ পৰা সেফটি দিয়ে. Okay, it covers the cost of any damage or injuries caused to you or other people and their property. Jodi he vehicle thodi by chance kiba unfortunate accident or incidents injuries take place তেতিয়া হলে গুটে হে ইনসিডেন্ট বা এক্সিডেন্টৰ যোনটো ইনজুৰি হ'ব বা কিবা grievous hurt হ'ব that will be covered through the insurance. So the policies provide insurance for 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers and 4-wheelers. Now, what are the types of vehicle insurance? So vehicle insurance বহুত টাইপছৰ থাকে. Vehicle insurance actually যদি আমি simple ভাষাত বুজিব যাও, this is a contractual agreement between an individual and an insurance company providing financial protection in the event of an accident. মনত থব. So insurance খন যোনে the vehicle owner and the insurance company মাজত এখন agreement বনোৱা হয়. Okay, so what are the various types of vehicle insurance? Third party liability insurance. So this is the minimum legal requirement in most countries. Mane third party liability insurance hoise eta compulsory mandate juntu compulsorily mane vehicle khoner insurance thakiboi lage. Okay, so it covers the cost of any damage or injuries you cause to other people or their property. For an example, ekhon vehicle hoy. Suppose this is a vehicle and this is a person XYZ. So unfortunately if this person A meets with an accident with this vehicle, teta hole who will bear the loss? The loss or the injury junto claim injury amount or the claimant amount junto claim koribo that is claimed by person A junto claim koribo, that is mandatorily to be covered by the insurance company jar logot the owner of the vehicle has prepared that insurance agreement. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So this is the meaning of third party insurance. So it covers the cost of any damage or injuries you cause to other people or their property. It does not, however, cover damage to your own vehicle. So through this third party liability insurance, only the person who is injured tekhetor juntu claimant amount thakibo that will be covered. Otherwise, the owner of the person won't get any, in third party insurance I'm talking about, won't get any amount or any compensation for his recovery of his own vehicle. Okay, so this is all about third party insurance. আৰু আমাৰ যোনটো chapter 11 that is mentioned chapter 11 of the Motor Vehicles Act, that itself talks about motor vehicles against third party risk. Now, comprehensive damage insurance. So this is the another type of vehicle insurance, that is a vehicle comprehensive insurance combines the features of third party liability insurance and own damage insurance. See, as I have said, যেহেতু মই already mention কৰিছো, কি in third party insurance only third party যোনটো মানে amount থাকে, যোনটো claimant amount থাকে, that is হেতুৱে আমি অকল claim কৰিব পাৰো. Okay, so ইয়াত নিজৰ vehicle, the owner of the vehicle বা নিজৰ vehicle কাৰণে একো তেনেকে compensation বা তেনেকে claimant amount claim কৰিব নোৱাৰি. But in comprehensive damage insurance, it combines the features of third-party liability insurance and own damage insurance. Okay, it provides coverage for your own vehicle as well as for any damage or injuries you cause to others. It also typically includes additional benefits such as coverage for theft, fire, and natural disaster. So, এতিয়া যদি দুটাৰ মাজত যদি এনেকুৱা ফিল হৈছে, obviously যে comprehensive damage insurance is the better one, but যদি আমি প্ৰিমিয়ামৰ ফালেদি চাওঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে the premium for the third party liability insurance is lower compared to the other types of insurance. Okay, now in the third party insurance, it protects the interest of a third party who becomes the victim or injury. Okay, so third party insurance মানে টপিকটো আটাইতকৈ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট টপিক হয়, because this is the compulsory type of insurance. This is mandatorily, this is the legal requirement in our country. And why this has been why this has been considered as the legal requirement? Because it protects the interest of the third party who becomes the victim, because it protects the interest of the victim. Okay, so যেতিয়া কিবা liability arise হয় on the insured by the third party, so this is compulsorily to be mitigated by the insurance company. So মানে at least ইমানটো sure থাকা যায় যে insurance company will bear the loss of the third party who has been a victim in this accident. Okay, now third party insurance is compulsory under Motor Vehicles Act 1988. So এটো আপোনালোকে একদম ভালকে মনত থব, because ইয়াৰ পৰা questions form হ'ব পাৰে. ঠিক আছে, now এতিয়া আমি যদি আৰু অলপ ডিটেইলড এনালাইসিস কৰোঁ, দেন আমি যেতিয়া মোটৰ ভেহিকলছ এক্টৰ আমি যেতিয়া chapter 11 টো ষ্টাডি কৰোঁ, তেতিয়াহ'লে we come across various sections like such as section 146, necessity for insurance against third party risk. So this talks about the compulsory insurance. The owner of every motor vehicle is bound to insure his vehicle against the third party risk. Okay, so yat ki hoy, it says that a person cannot use his vehicle if the insurance agreement is not prepared. ঠিক আছে, যেটা লোকে vehicle to নতুন vehicle to insurance agreement by insurance policy is not prepared, তেতিয়া লোকে the vehicle cannot be used. Why? Because hetu time for the time being, or for that if in that particular time যদি কিবা unfortunate accident meet করা হয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে who will bear the loss? Okay, so until and unless insurance is insurance policy or insurance agreement is made, তেতিয়ালৈকে the person is not allowed to like use that vehicle. Also, yet আৰু এটা additional point আছে, that in the case of a vehicle carrying or meant to carry, যদি কোনোবা এটা vehicle dangerous বা hazardous goods লৈ travel কৰে বা goods carry কৰে, তেতিয়াহ'লে there is a special policy under insurance policy under Public Liability Insurance Act 1991. Okay, now here, like in under chapter 11, before proceeding to unauthorized authorized insurer, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি ইয়াত দেখো কি under chapter 11 there are other important sections like section 147. So sorry, section 147. So this section 147 in clause 5, it says that this is the responsibility of the insurer to pay the compensation and it cannot be denied by any insurance company. Okay, so etuto gom pai goise apnaloke etialoke that third party insurance is a compulsory type of insurance. Now যেতিয়া আপোনালোকে ষ্টুডেণ্টছ যদি আপোনালোকে বেৰেকখন যদি আপোনালোকে পঢ়ে তেতিয়াহ'লে আপোনালোকে এটা টাৰ্ম পাব দেট ইজ gracious passenger. So gracious passenger is not defined since this is not defined in the act. So I'll just try to define this and try to explain it to you. Gracious passenger hoise any person who has taken a lift. And eta kotha monot thobo questions jodi ahe that are gracious passenger, like are they considered or can they claim for meeting with any accident or something? The answer will be no. The person who has taken a lift, gracious passenger hoise the person who has taken a lift. The person who has taken a lift, so in any vehicle, so that person is not like do not have the authority to file a claimant, okay, or to file a claim. Okay, now under section 147 বা আপনালোকে chapter 11 যদি পঢ়ে তেতিয়াহলে there is another important mandate, that is the government vehicles are exempted from insurance. So what does this mean? Does this mean that the government vehicles does not need to be insured? No, there is a special fund that has been organized for the insurance purpose of the government vehicles. Okay, so these are the few important points under chapter 11. Now, under chapter 11, there is another definition. So I thought question might be asked from this section. So this is, who is an authorized insurer? So an authorized insurer means an insurer for the time being carrying a general insurance business in India. Okay, so do not get confused. An authorized insurer means an insurer for the time being carrying a general insurance business in India and granted a certificate of registration by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, established under section 3. Although this section is not important, but who grants the certificate? Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Okay, aru authorized insurer kun hoy? The like general insurance business who runs a general insurance business in India. Okay, so he is considered to be a authorized insurer. And any government insurance fund authorized to do general insurance business under the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972. So this is an added information. Now, what are the benefits of vehicle insurance? So since vehicle insurance is a mandatory provision in our country, so vehicle insurance provides financial protection. Along with that, it acts as in compliance with the law and also protection against the liabilities. Now students, এতিয়া মই ভাবিছো কি আপোনালোকৰ লগত কেইটামান questions solve কৰাম so that you get an idea কি কেনেকুৱা questions ask কৰিব পাৰে এইবোৰ topicsৰ পৰা আৰু যদি আপোনালোকৰ এইবোৰ এনেকুৱা questions আৰু যদি solve কৰিব লাগে then you can definitely go and avail our test series. Okay, so first question to কি হয়, what is the minimum third party insurance coverage required for private cars in India? So the options are 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 7.5 lakh and 1 lakh. So what will be the answer? The answer will be, the correct option is 7.5 lakhs. Okay. Now, which act governs motor vehicle insurance in India? So what are the options? Insurance Act 1938, Motor Vehicles Act 1988, Companies Act 2013 and IRDAI Act 1999. So which act governs motor vehicle insurance in India? Junkhon Act ami presently currently pohi asu, that is Motor Vehicles Act 1988 is the correct option. Do not get confused. So what is the validity period of a third party motor vehicle insurance policy in India? The options are 6 months, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. So here the correct option will be 1 year. So students, যদি আপোনালোকৰ আৰু তেনেকুৱা কিবা question solve কৰিব লাগে and you are like যদি আপোনালোকৰ confidence boost up কৰিব লাগে, then definitely you can avail the test series that is available in our like app. Okay, so students, with this we come to an end of this series of the Motor Vehicles Act. So we have tried to cover all the important concepts and all the important information that we could have provided to you, and also best of luck, বহুত ভালকে exam দিব। and so আৰু যদি আপোনালোকৰ কিবা doubts থাকে বা কিবা আপোনালোকে যদি কিবা added topics or কিবা concepts ওপৰত যদি এই last 10 daysত কিবা আপোনালোকৰ confusion থাকে, then you can definitely comment in the comment section, so we will try to make a video on those concepts, and also আমি try কৰিম কি আপোনালোকৰ যিমান doubts and queries থাকে সব solve কৰিব পাৰে। Okay, so thank you and best of luck, and if you have found this video useful, so please share, subscribe and keep supporting us. Thank you.